I will be introducing the coffee machine. All right. So I got the thing it says I have to put this inside the coffee machine. There we go. Now we will have to close this. All right, so now we will put it inside. Well, now it looks like I have to buy another cup. All right, I got the cup and now I will put inside. Okay, now we have to wait. Well, that was cool. All right, I hope it tastes good. Oh my God, that tastes so good. Oh man, it's empty. Ugh. All right. So I will break the table and the coffee machine because it's making me mad. That I do not have any more money and any more of those things. Come on, break already. Finally, it's breaking. This is like a rage room.